So we're gonna see how we can create custom event in React. So custom events are those events that we can create and dispatch ourselves. So here we can create the custom event using the custom event constructor. So here it allows us to define our own event, and we can pass custom data when those events trigger. And we need those custom events first of all to communicate between components that don't have direct parent-child relationship. So suppose we have two components, component 1 and component 2, and they do not have any parent-child relationship. In that case, we can use our custom event, and those two components can communicate to each other. And secondly, the custom event can trigger actions in response to the non-React events, like those that are coming from external libraries or native DOM events. So let's now see how we can create custom event in React. So here we have the component app with the h1 says React custom event. And let's now create one button, and we're gonna use this button to trigger the custom event. So trigger custom event. So we're gonna use this button to trigger custom events in React. So first of all, let's just define our own custom event. So we're gonna define my event, and we're gonna use the constructor new custom event. So first parameter is the string name of the event. So we're gonna call our event my custom event, and second parameter it takes optional data. So here we're gonna pass some details containing the message my custom event. Now we have to add our custom event. So we're gonna use the useEffect hook for this. So inside the useEffect, first of all, we have to add the event listener. So we're gonna use document.add event listener, and we're gonna add my custom event, and whenever this event occurs, then we're gonna call the handler handle event. So whenever this event occurs, then we're gonna call the handler function. Let's now define this handler function. So const handle event, and this will take the event parameter. Now here we're just gonna simply console log the message that we have passed, so we can access that using event.details.message. So we have added our event listener, and also we have defined the handler function. So now we have to make sure that whenever this component unmounts, there should not be any memory leakage. So we have to remove this event handler before the component is unmounted. We have to use the cleanup. So now we have to perform the cleanup operation. So we're gonna return the callback method, and here inside we're gonna perform all of our cleanup operation. So we're gonna use document.remove event listener, and we're gonna remove my custom event from the handle event function. So this is just to avoid any kind of memory leakage. So we have defined our custom event, and then we have added our custom event, and also we have performed the cleanup whenever the component unmounts. Now we have to dispatch our custom event whenever we click on this button. We're gonna use onClick. We're gonna simply dispatch, so document.dispatchEvent, and we're gonna dispatch my event. So here we're gonna pass my event. So now if we click on this trigger button, so we are getting this error, cannot read properties of undefined, and that is because the property has to be detail, not details. So now if we click on this trigger button, you can see we have this console log my custom event. So we are successfully triggering our custom event using this click of a button. So this is the way we can define our custom event, and then we can listen to this custom event, and also we can dispatch our custom event on a click of this button. So hope you understand about custom events in React. See you in the next one. Take care.